Whenever I'm working on my workbench and when it shakes, all my drawers slides out. I need to find a better solution to keep these drawers in place. I came up with a solution using these scraps that I have in hand. I'm drilling a pilot hole onto the divider where I have two drawers on the right and a drawer on the left, and I'm putting it in between all three of these drawers. Now I did the same thing on the bottom drawer to prevent those two drawers on the bottom from sliding out. I'm using a 1 1/4 screw to drill into these blocks. Make sure you don't over tighten the screws so that you can turn the block sideways to lock the drawers from sliding out. Here I'm putting in the screw into the block with the pilot hole that I already pre-drilled, and then place it onto the divider again on the bottom. Now let's do the shake test, and we're all good. None of them are sliding out. Here is a closer look of how it looks like when I unlock it. You see how the drawer just slides out? Now I'm going to lock it in place. That will prevent the drawers from all sliding out.